who's up for something special coming up to Easter. So I was thinking about hot cross buns, and I was also thinking about making donuts. So I've decided I'm going to make hot cross donuts in my donut tray that I have got from our mix shop. Non-stick, beautiful, heavy-duty quality product with a few choice ingredients. So look, I'm going to bring up my scales, some organic coconut flour. I'm going to use 60 grams. And we want some psyllium husk. So I'm using organic psyllium from Cloves, and we want 30 grams. We want a couple of tablespoons of sweetener. To make them low carb, I'm just going to use erythritol and stevia. Just a couple of tablespoons to make those really sweet. And chuck in a few sultanas. You could put some cacao nibs in here if you wanted to. Make a chocolate version, which I think I'm going to buy next time when I'm down the road. Handful of those. Teaspoon of baking powder. So a little bit of a lift. We want our spice, so I've just got some mixed spice and some cinnamon in there. Now we're just going to give that a mix. So we just have a quick mix of the dry ingredients. Okay, so here's our mix, just a quick mix. Now I'm going to add a strange ingredient, but it helps with the rise. So we're just going to pop in 250 grams of boiling hot water.
Mum's getting older, and I'm worried that I can't always be there to help her. That's why I call Catholic Healthcare. They have all the aged care services, retirement villages, in-home care, and residential homes.
Similar to how we make our keto bread rolls with the egg whites and the boiled water.
I know Mum's in good hands at Catholic Healthcare.
Give that a quick mix. I'm going to leave it on reverse just so we don't chop those sultanas down too much. Okay, look at that. Now the trick is to get these without too much of a mess. Now I'm just going to give this a little spray, although it's non-stick. The pans do say follow instructions, usual instructions for the baking process. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there, and you don't want it to stick being that shape. So let's just pop in and around. Oh, I can smell the spice already. Now, have you ever heard of such a thing? Hot Cross Donuts. I had it and I thought it was something original I'd come up with this afternoon, and then I googled it and I saw it was already thought of. So how funny is that? Nothing new under the sun, I guess. 12 out of this.
Long-term care. Join McKillop Family Services.
And I might even put the crosses on top as well. Let's see how that goes. Got the oven preheated, so that's ready to go. Just a moderate oven around 170, 80 degrees. Yeah, probably won't make a dozen. Alright, we'll make about 10. There you go, who's going to try those? A few basic gluten-free ingredients in the pantry. And away we go. Okay, I try not to eat them and take a photo when they come out, so you can take a look at that. And that took me all a couple of minutes. Probably 5 minutes. I've just been chatting. So I'll stick those in the oven. Have a good night.